Hello everyone, welcome to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Dollar Bank account on your desktop. If you'd like to log into your Dollar Bank account online, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in dollarbank.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website for Dollar Bank. At the right hand corner of the screen, you'll be able to see a login area if you'd like to log into your online banking. Enter your user ID into the first text box that appears. Now, head over to the password text field and type in your password. Make sure to type in the correct password and user ID. In case you don't remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Password, Reset and Unlock link at the bottom of the page. Follow the instructions and you'll be able to change to a new password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, then you can check this box right here that says Remember User ID. If you're using a public device or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box. If you are not enrolled for online banking for Dollar Bank yet, click on the sign up link at the bottom and follow the instructions. After you have an account, you can easily type in the credentials, and once you're done typing them correct, click on the login button in green and you'll be logged into your Dollar Bank account in no time. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.